Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The Read Aloud feature in Word lets Word read a document aloud to you. To use Read Aloud in Word, first open the document to read out loud in Word. Then click to place the insertion point cursor at the start of the part of the document where you want to begin reading the document aloud. Alternatively, to only read a selection of text within the document, then first select the text to read aloud. Next, click the Review tab in the ribbon. Then click the Read Aloud button in the Speech button group. Word will then begin to highlight and read aloud the document text that is selected, or it will begin reading all the document text starting from the insertion point cursor.
This year, we have some of the best widgets available for manufacturing in our companies.
After clicking this button, notice that a small toolbar appears in the upper right corner of the document area. You can click the Pause/Play toggle button to both pause and resume playback of the document.
History. The pages in this report list the different.
You can click the Previous and Next button to jump to the previous or next paragraph.
As you can see in the table and chart below.
You can click the Settings button to show a drop-down menu that lets you click and drag the reading speed slider to the left or right to decrease or increase the reading speed, and or select which narrator's voice to use from the Voice Selection drop-down. After changing any setting, click back into the document area to hide the drop-down menu again. Clicking the Stop button in this toolbar closes it and turns off the Read Aloud feature in Word.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.